I would like to say thank you for taking the time out to be here.
A pleasure.
I am immensely grateful. So if you turn to page 2, you'll see that our company has grown over 33% in the past 2 months, and it is projected to grow another 52% in the next 4 months.
If your company is doing so good, why do you need us?
That's a great question. We need you because we don't currently have the capital to scale at the level that our clientele is growing.
How much revenue do you need?
If you look back at page 1, you'll see we are currently asking for 2 million.
At a 15%?
Yes, 15%.
I don't think 15%
What would
will
you
work.
consider to be fair? How much clients do you have? I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry. We currently have 84,000 customers.
And how much do you sell each item
for? We charge $73 for each item.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, for the most part, I am. But I think I need to borrow your restroom.
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you very much. I'll be right back.
So what do you think?
I think it's a good deal, but you could always make it better.
Is that hurt?
John, do not leave.